Hi everyone, and welcome to this full walkthrough of your budget planner. This template works in both Excel and Google Sheets, and it's designed to help you plan your spending, track your real expenses, and understand your finances through clear and simple visuals. Before we start, a quick note. If you found this video on YouTube and you don't have the spreadsheet yet, you can click the link in the description to download your own copy. Let's begin with a quick overview of the dashboard. At the top of the Budget tab, you'll see your total budgeted amount for the month, your actual spending, and the difference between the two. These numbers update automatically as you record your transactions. You'll also see a bar showing your income and your savings amount for the period. This gives you a fast snapshot of whether you are on track or overspending. Below that, you'll notice a budget versus actual bar chart. The blue bars represent the amounts you planned for each category, and the green bars show what you actually spent. This comparison helps you quickly see where you stayed on track and where spending went higher than expected. On the right, there's a pie chart showing your actual spending breakdown by category. Each slice represents groceries, housing, utilities, entertainment, or whatever categories you've used. The percentages and colours update the moment you enter a new transaction. Now let's go through how to set up your budgeting period. At the top of the sheet, you'll see two boxes for the start date and the end date. Type in the dates for the month or period you want to track, and the planner will recalculate everything based on those dates. Next to that is the currency selector. Choose the currency you want to use for your entire budget. If your currency isn't on the list, you can add it manually in the Setup tab, and it will appear in the drop-down automatically. Now that the period and currency are set, let's enter your budget amounts. Scroll down and you'll see all your spending categories grouped into clear sections. Each category has a budget column and an actual column. Start by entering your planned amounts into the budget column. These are the white cells. White cells are always safe to type into. Anything coloured contains formulas, so those cells should never be edited. The totals, charts, and summaries update instantly when you enter your budget numbers. Once your budget is set, scroll further down to the bank transactions log. This is where you record your real spending throughout the month. For each transaction, enter the date, choose a category, pick a subcategory, add a short description if you want to, and type in the amount. As soon as you enter any transaction, your budget updates automatically. The bar chart adjusts, the pie chart recalculates, the totals refresh, and the dashboard always reflects your real-time spending. If you ever want to focus on specific spending, you can use the built-in filters in the transaction log. For example, you can filter to show only groceries, only income, only bills, or only transactions over a certain amount. Filtering doesn't change any numbers. It just hides rows temporarily so you can easily review your spending. When you're ready for a new month, you don't need to start over. Simply duplicate the Budget tab, rename it for the new month, adjust your dates, and update any budget amounts that change. Everything else, formulas, charts, and categories, will stay in place. Let's take a deeper look at the Setup tab, because this is where you can customize your planner to fit your needs. The Setup tab is divided into clearly labeled sections, and only the white cells are editable. You can change the names of categories, rename subcategories, add new subcategories, remove items you don't use, and even add new currencies. The coloured areas contain formulas, and those should not be changed. They control the drop-down menus, the calculations, and the way information flows through the template. When you add or rename a category in the Setup tab, the update appears everywhere else automatically, in the transaction drop-downs, in the dashboard charts, and in the category totals. This makes your planner fully customizable without requiring any knowledge of formulas. If you want to track different types of spending, you can simply edit the white cells in the Setup list, and the planner will adjust itself. Now let's walk through the Instructions tab. This page gives you a written summary of everything explained in this video. It reminds you which areas you can type into, how to enter transactions, how the charts work, and how to duplicate the sheet for a new month. It also includes a link back to this tutorial, so you can watch the video again anytime without searching for it. And that's the full walkthrough. Your budget planner is now ready to use. Set your budget, log your real transactions, and enjoy a clear visual overview of your finances.